Morning everyone, how are you doing? So today I'm going to make just a little bench with a carving on one side. A little bit different for me though. I'm going to do a raccoon for the first time. There's probably not as much call for a raccoon in the UK compared to the US, I assume. Might be wrong though. We'll see how this one goes and how popular it is. So yeah, so I'll show you what we're going to do. So just basic scribble at the moment, but the bench will be off to the left, so I just need to notch that out so it sits in there. Then what I'll do is I'll have it look like a raccoon sat in a log. So roughly around about here we'll have a head, body, and then it will disappear behind the exterior sort of bark, and then we'll have the tail come back out, bending just underneath the seat there, and then we'll have the edge of the outside edge of the wood curving up, and then I think what I'll probably do at the back is have it a little bit jagged, maybe a little bit of a front as well, to look like as if it's maybe like snapped off sort of old tree sort of thing. So yeah, so we'll get Paddy running around when I turn that chainsaw on. Sally's disappeared somewhere, she always does. So yeah, we'll get you on the stand and see how it goes. Right. Now then guys, right, it's the following day. I didn't get nearly as much time on it yesterday through a few delays, visitors, that sort of thing. So today I'll just show you where we're at so far actually. So it's just roughed out, we see it out, so it's just going to be in like a snapped sort of log. I need to carve he'll have his little paws and claws just on there, and then we'll bit of wood, snap wood there with the hole, and then his tail coming round. So next really what I need to do is get it notched out for the seat to slot into, and I think we can start sanding it back and getting some detail work on there. But you see, I've just given it a very basic sort of bark sort of pattern on there all around. Now what I'll do with that is I'll give it a burn, nothing too major, and I'll give it a sand back. Just gets rid of the fuzzies, and I don't know, I just find it helps give it that little bit more sort of bark sort of look to it. So yeah, so we'll get you on the stand. So first thing we'll do, we'll get that notched out, and yeah, we'll get it sanded and get some general work on there, get the eyes and what have you, and then hopefully should be ready for painting. Before that though, I'll have to carve the seat out, give that a nice wavy natural sort of edge, and then on the opposite side it'll just be a little stump underneath the seat, which wasn't the intention, but I think I'm probably going to carve a little raccoon face in, just peeping out from a hole in the wood there, because why not. So yeah, let's see how we'll get on, and we'll see you at the end. Right guys, job done. Let's have a quick look. So, sorry, I'll get out the sun. So there's the main raccoon, sat in its log. And its tail coming up there. Now we've got, what's that? That's a piece of larch, about, what, 1.3 metres, about just over 4 foot. And then we have a little baby raccoon sat in the bottom log. In a tide Sally. Hello tide Sally. So yeah, another bench done. So we'll see you in the next video. Thanks very much.